Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN for P2P and other special features on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton VPN on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, make sure your subscription allows P2P if you are planning to use it. Proton VPN has special servers for P2P. These servers are optimized for a safe file sharing and storage. Using a regular server might not allow P2P safely, so it's important to choose the correct one. In the app, scroll through the server list or use the search bar. Look for servers labeled P2P. Tap the server you want and then tap connect. Your iPhone will now route traffic through the secure server. Proton VPN also has features like secure core for extra security, ad blocking, and to bypass network restrictions. You can enable this in settings if needed. Once connected to a P2P server, you can safely download or share files on your iPhone. All your traffic is encrypted, so your identity and data are protected. When you finish, open the Proton VPN app and then tap disconnect. You can always reconnect later to the same or a different server. And that's it. Using P2P and other Proton VPN features on your iPhone is simple and keeps your online activity safe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.